Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the file and selecting blanks so changes are targeted. Make sure you saved a copy. You do not want accidental data loss. Next, select the full data range or the entire sheet so blank row detection is consistent. Then open Home, Find, and select and choose Go to Special, then Blanks. This highlights every empty cell in the selection. Once done, you have the exact locations marked. That lets you remove only truly blank rows and preserve partial records. With blanks highlighted, convert those cell selections into whole rows so deletion is safe. Press Ctrl and minus or right-click any selected cell and choose Delete, then select Entire Row. This removes rows where every cell was blank. Make sure to watch for merged cells or hidden columns because they can prevent proper row deletion. If you prefer a reversible method, apply a filter for blanks in a key column, then select filtered rows and delete them. That approach gives you more control and a chance to review before finish by clearing any filters and scanning the sheet to confirm layout and formulas still work. Recalc if necessary. If rows didn't delete as expected, check for cells with spaces, invisible characters, or formulas returning empty strings. Use trim, clean, or counta to detect them. If merged cells block deletion, unmerge first and repeat. Finally, save the cleaned workbook as a new file to preserve the original. Make sure you know how to use undo if you need to revert a mistaken mass delete.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.